Bawumia digitalization. The other ba ye H00kup.
Ebusuya kamya ye say onua TV ho de nyansani bia ni ho. Nyansani ba ku sei eni onua TV ho. Nyanto wase na ebusuya ye ndi nkomo. There was this lady and draw kwat na onua TV. Then as mo kan nyina na say Dr. Bawumia Digitalization o de ba ye no. H00kup e be promote ye. Ebusuya obakasa go na medi. Unse ye wonwa. Unse yam crash o. Now ma me kasa anwa no yam bonwem ne nkotie nsem hunu a ge wono kafa Dr. Bawumia Digitalization ho. Na ewia ya mekanya sa akran de enfantu ntebutua yam kombra
Bia ni dia eba. Dr. Bawumia digitalization. The other ba ye H00kup.
What's that?
Hookup. JB. During NPP 8 years era no, the unity power Ghana system ye hookup. Me former place baby na me tie me 2 ye unim. Girls best 4. Fine nice girls bio. Am bebe J one apartment no mugum. Adiachi a wo so mo hye nurse for ntade green white.
Yeah.
What the hell man na the best 12 for no ne kekra kukuru no ma fa wo wo du ani ye na chese omu pia ko be 5 am no my dey no ma baba.
Wa kwa adwuma.
Ena mi bisa omo so omo ye part time bi wo henhe omo ye nurse for no mu nya adwuma. Enti me ye na me ka che me news editor yo da say ega oso omo ye and that was the first time H00kup.
Yeah.
Nurse for omo wie school omo nya adwuma ye.
I'm very sure say after watching this video you asked yourself a very simple question. What kind of people ena onua TV at the bottom station on them, and what criteria no mudina so at the selecting the kind of people are on mom kwine momoba TV station on them ebe kasa so, because I've never and ever seen anyone awako onua TV or making sense that I've never seen anyone wako onua TV or making sense that. Now, if you have this kind of people in this country, how do you expect country to say be developing? How do you expect the country to develop? Because this is the kind of people we live in the country with. This is the kind of people we live in the country with. And listen to what she said. Say Dr. Bawumia Digitalization na obo hu de wuro no. Die promote ye eye sebi mpleduasa hookup, like as a sensible person be no mo a obeka that said the girl we ekasa yi. And there were people there, they couldn't tell the girl that tell the girl that in some na woka no sebi mpleduasa jimisem intija in some na woka no mo wo ho no mo hwe no mane kasa ya mwentimi ankasa ntunefo. And the digitalization ama wo krawo out way utimi etna fie wodade e online me de brew e woni ne wosi e na wode ye ya na ye digitalization na wode ye enya digitalization ya enendra echi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ama ye hu say Dr. Bawumia Digitalization na all kan wasem no say na eye real and enye ntro. Na 3 days nyina wa ha, we all saw the video. And unti sa wo yaduma onwa ti na be ka say Dr. Bawumia Digitalization na digitalization odi ba na kwa na ya shawo ni H00kup na be promote ya na adwin na we utremo no bro me ni bibia onya wo de ni free here. I'm telling you, then I don't know where unya adwin free here, because if this is the mindset she will trim out the name there and the lady obebre pa. Now let me tell you, Dr. Bawumia Digitalization the buy no and no and na ene you know what United Kingdom say after on some babe yeden you see the digitalization no e wo mo mind mu. Dr. Bawumia the drone delivery system e basa na mbeka say and na ode ba be hwe ma ho okay almost the ba share ma ho na person be share ma ho na den is okay ya and I'm very sure say okay answer na later on ya be ka almost say no enti sa na eye efidie bi e de ba e betimi di aduro akọ hospitals and clinics any chips compound within 30 20 10 minutes depending on the distance wo baby a delivery system no e wo na ni baby akwakoye delivery no so ban paso ansa na mu ye free mu amoba ya na mu Sam George akoba ko bi wo baby akoya akomia so ni agye ne ho wa jimi bi Dr. Bawumia sa no djuma be no na yetimi ma abodanfo bi se kwan omo bra betena TV ni radio so kasa then message pa no mo sale dia matemamufo no atena se ahwe ade bi etu omo ma wo fie nyansa ben na omo de hye nkola tirim a omo de tete omo ma e wo fie because with this mindset and I would know how do you expect me, someone like me, someone so ready your political party echi? How do you expect me to do that? And these are the people that Yamamu Dibre e wa NDC mu. Yamamu Dibre o e wo NDC party ni mu. And it's so sad. It is so sad, say, we live in the country, this kind of people, like Kaomwa, or make a decision here, Nipa, obey your mind him as the president of the country. Because let me tell you, I think, say, it is time, say, the Electoral Commission, say, about Aboa Baa. Omoye in a check up. A check is will be mentally stable. Mentally stable and some of my crime and some of about Aboa Baa because with this kind of mindset, bro, she cannot be allowed to also vote. With this kind of mindset, she cannot be allowed to also vote in this country. I'm telling you, because this person can make a decision about affecting the whole country, because one vote can change the results of the election. One vote, especially when it comes to the member of parliament side. And we've seen a lot of these things are happening during our election time. So I think it is time. I was say Ghana applying sorry say they shouldn't be allowed to vote, because if she thinks digitalization came and it came to promote how do you call it? H00kup. Not in any way. She doesn't deserve to be a voter. Ebusuya, I can accept TV media just so any promise. Ebusuya kaswa de adechina say antia se foforo ho no mo a na ye chiri. Me na wo ka say the member of parliament edema wutu senya aya ye kaswa e ka ho be no. Ede beto abonten say kaswa for traffic light na ase ho no mo no. Ska obetim da fix no. Eye 100 billion tetisika no. Ene Ghana sika foforo no mu no 10 million Ghana cedis. Or the fix it traffic light ase yo. Enye so kwa foforo. Or fix it faulty traffic lights. Now be here TTC can na me kan obeti ase million billion no sa 100 billion obeti na fix it traffic light ase wo ka so a o de buy na sika nem na 10 million Ghana cedis ebusuya ni din e de na akoyo on e MP e de me wutu senya wutu senya east or something here ka so aka ho bi bebia na akum si MP a ma me be wi ni yin o kire mu se mo be hia million nesa 10 titika no 100 billion and san mo tia fit traffic light ebusu yoka so a na ebuta say traffic light na nkasa no foforo kra ni yeto ni e fix ya eyesen madam agro woni so on ana wasika ira usika ira on usika ira on because I'm not sure say one kasa and some are okay, you know. What trans now dream ho na be catch the yen say ube hia 100 billion old currency just to fix traffic light I say e faulty. Na say talk for there e better the saying. You should be serious in this country. It's like jokes near too much. I grow ye ni so. I grow e wo ye ni so. Ebusuya, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Ebusuya, me ka say news want to say oil marketing company said better about thing say expect more fuel increase from a year next week because petrol no omo besa to be say ndra omo tu mu omo say expect more because more are yet to come. So that is what is currently happening. Make me at the iron at the amount. So that's what is currently happening. And you know, almost expecting more fuel increase. So that is what is coming this morning from the oil marketing companies.
Many are no Ghana for your mama ni 8 months now by Bemon in Sofia or Troyeno. And you know, Babe Boss Archer resort no. Babe Boss Archer no. At a patch of Mutini. Why? The almighty 24-hour economy 2%, very weak. Akukon Kitty 0%, poor. The almighty Galamsey 1%, very, very, very weak. The almighty Women's Bank 0%, poor. The almighty LBGTPQ plus 0%, fail. The also the better also amamo and the million result mama try 8 months or buy and my boss actually no me that must say.